Why do so many field audits still end with lost notes, slow reports, and unclear follow-up? Field audit software moves inspections onto a mobile device with digital checklists, photos, notes, actions, and reports. When the tool is simple, mobile, and reliable, teams can work faster and with more control. Field audit software is a digital tool for audits outside the office. You can collect data, review conditions, record proof, assign actions, and share reports from a mobile device. A safety manager, for example, can inspect a job site, add hazard photos, assign corrective actions, and send a report before leaving. It matters because paper forms slow work, lose notes, delay reports, and make trends harder to spot. Before using field audit software, define what you want to improve, such as safety checks, site records, supplier reviews, or faster issue closure. List your audit types and build short, clear checklists. Train the team to complete audits, add photos, assign actions, and submit reports. Test offline use in weak internet areas, then review reports to confirm checks, failures, owners, and due dates are clear. Keep forms short by removing questions that do not help the audit. Use photos as proof for key findings, and assign each issue before leaving the site so work does not stall. Apply scoring for safety, quality, or compliance to compare sites over time. Review dashboards weekly or monthly, and close the loop by verifying that every action is complete. iAuditor addresses these pain points with offline audits and later cloud sync, instant report generation after inspection, mobile media capture, real-time dashboards, and corrective action tracking. iAuditor Audits and Inspections is built for field teams that need speed, clarity, and control across the full audit cycle. You can conduct mobile audits anywhere, convert paper or Excel checklists into smart forms with a drag-and-drop template builder, add notes and visual evidence, track corrective actions, and review synced analytics and trends. The software supports safety and quality audits, supplier and store audits, construction and facility audits, and asset checks and compliance inspections. It can support many sites and teams, helping leaders compare locations and manage standards across the business. The industries named include construction, manufacturing, logistics, retail, healthcare, energy, food service, hospitality, and facilities management. Teams can assign actions, set due dates, add owners, and track status so issues are fixed, not just reported. The future described here is more mobile, more data-driven, and more automated, with smarter checklists, real-time reports, AI support, and trend dashboards. Field audit software replaces paper-based auditing with faster, clearer mobile work. With clear goals, short checklists, strong follow-up, and tools that handle evidence, reporting, and offline use, teams can move from finding issues to fixing them. That is the role iAuditor is presented to fill across one site or many.